Welcome to this MindView video tutorial introducing you to time management using mind mapping. In this example, we've created a mind map of all of the topics and subtopics that we're going to revise over our first week of revision. You can see the hierarchy of the mind map has clearly outlined each individual subject area, and then off each subject, the topics that we're going to revise. Within MindView, you are able to convert your visual mind map into a timeline or visual action plan. To do this, first of all, change your view from the mind map to the timeline. Here, the mind map has now become listed on the left-hand side, clearly breaking down those main subject and topic areas. Through adding both a start and/or end date, the timeline will start to populate items automatically. In this example, I've added a few dates onto the timeline. Notice where I have both a start and an end date, it's created a duration bar within the timeline depicting the full length of that activity. Using colors on the mind map makes it easy on the timeline to differentiate between those different topics. Not only that, but helps us to see any overlap between any of the different actions on the timeline. This is a great way of creating any type of visual action plan. Create a timeline for deadlines, studying, research, essay writing, even just a personal to-do list. Here's another example of the same actions in the timeline. However, in this example, I've decided even to create specific times of day when I'm going to complete these activities. You'll notice that there's lots of different designs and styles to choose from within the timeline editor. Why not print out the timeline and put it in a visible place so you're constantly reminded of all of the activities that you've got coming up? The print functionality of MindView makes it simple to print either on a single page or multiple pages. Notice how the timeline expands across those pages automatically, enabling you to create a big, clear visual action plan.